It's the ForceThirteenAustralia Oceania channel, where the Bureau of Meteorology in Tasmania has in place a severe weather warning. The warning is for damaging westerly winds over Tasmania for people in the upper Derwent Valley, the southeast parts of the western east coast, central Plateau and Midlands forecast districts. Strong westerly airstream across Tasmania will persist throughout today, then moderate Tuesday morning. Damaging westerly winds averaging 50 to 60 kilometres an hour with isolated gusts of 90 to 100 kilometres an hour expected across parts of southern central Tasmania during today before contracting to the far south of the state early Tuesday morning. Winds are expected to ease below warning threshold during Tuesday morning. Locations which may be affected at this point in time: Orford, Norfolk, Bothwell, Hobart, Jefferson and Dover. The Bureau also has a gale warning for the Bank Strait, Franklin Sound, lower east, southeast, southwest, including central west coast. Strong wind warning, the Derwent Estuary, Frederick Henry Bay, Norfolk Bay, Storm Bay Channel, Central Plateau Lakes, Southwest Lakes, the far northwest, Central North Coast, east of the Flinders Island and the upper east coast. Now we have a look at the winds at the 850 millibars level. Not much going on. Again, you can clearly see where the activity is, the southern region of Tasmania. Each of these images are free hourly and the information is at the top and bottom of the screen. And what is the Bureau of Meteorology going to say next month? Read the 2021 tropical cyclone season, which officially kicks off on November the 1st. There's a strong wind warning for the central coast, central Gippsland, east Gippsland coast in Victoria. Strong wind warning in the Peninsula, Cooktown coast in Queensland. No warnings for South Australia. Fire weather warning, WA, Kimberley Inland Fire Weather District. And the Bureau's cancelled a strong wind warning for the Gascoyne and Geraldton coast. Now we have a look at the Bureau's 12-hourly and 24-hour rainfall information. The rainfall information, right hand side of the screen, and what's going on in the capital cities at this point in time. 20.8 Sydney, 15.9, nearly 16 Melbourne, 25.6 here in Brisbane, 23.6 Perth. These are current temperatures. Adelaide 15.8, 13.8 Hobart, Canberra 19.5, and a hot one in Darwin 34.4. The far north tropical Queensland coast, the East Gippsland region, and parts of South Australia. The Bureau's total forecast of rain: southwest southern region, Tasmania, Adelaide, Innisfail, Cairns region, and looks like outback areas of Queensland, northeastern region of South Australia are likely to see up to 50 millimetres. Here's a look at the 850 millibars vorticity for Australia's western and southeastern regions. And we're going to see some more cold fronts leading to more severe weather. And all the activity at this point in time on Force 13 is on its international platform, the main channel, with a couple of hurricanes up there in the northern hemisphere. And please have a look at our other channels and our recently launched earthquake channel. And bye for now.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information about Force 13, you can check us out on all of our outlets. Our website, ForceThirteen.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force 13. You're probably there already, good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force 13, where we post our updates, and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force 13. And if you want to rock our colors like Nathan Foy here, you can go to our store available at store.force13.com, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of the Patreon. More information about patronage and the privilege you can get from patronage can be found at patreon.com/Force13, and you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or to me directly on Discord at TRIN extension 1375, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.